Hello, everybody. Welcome to Versus Fashion Art and Tarot. And today I'm going to be doing a reading on Zendaya and Tom Holland. As you all might know, it is said that they are getting married. So, and I thought, well, let me just do a current energy reading on them. And if the married cards come up, then that's great. But I thought it'd be interesting to see what's in store for them. Excuse me. Cards are falling out my hands. Anyway, I thought it'd be interesting to do a current energy reading on him, basically. And let's see what's going on. Okay? So, all right. Dear Spirit, tell me about Zendaya and Tom Holland. They are your children. They are your loved ones. Share with me what you would like for me to know and what you would like for me to share. Talk to me about Zendaya and Tom Holland. Connect with me with their spirit guides and their ancestors. Share with me what you would like for me to know and what you would like for me to share. Talk to me about Zendaya and Tom Holland. Thank you, Spirit. Thank you, Spirit. Thank you. What is the situation around Tom Holland and Zendaya? What is the situation around them right now? Connect me to their ancestors, their energy, their surroundings. Share with me what you would like for me to know and what you would like for me to share. Please connect me to their spirit. Okay. Please talk to me about Zendaya and Tom Holland. All right. Please talk to me about Zendaya and Tom Holland. What is the current energy around them now? What is the current energy around Tom Holland and Zendaya? Okay. Talk to me about Zendaya Tom Holland. What is the kind of energy around them? What's in the environment? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. All right. All right. Okay. All right. Before I start the reading, I like to say thank you for coming. And also, I do have an Etsy shop called Sylvester's Fashion Art. Check it out. I'm always adding new things there all the time. What else is going on? Oh, and if you'd like to support the channel, that information will be below. Or if you would like a reading from me, that information will be below as well. All right. Let's start the reading. First card I get is the Moon card. To me, this is media. All right, there's a lot of information about them out there right now. There's a lot of people talking about them. There's a lot of hidden information, things that are yet to be revealed. There's a lot of speculations. There's a lot of he said, she said, he said, she said. There's a lot of untruths, a lot of deceit, a lot of deception, a lot of misinterpreted situations that are surrounding them right now. All right. So this card is representing them together. Right. So it's a lot going on. So media's having a field day with them. They're having fun with them. They just, it's just a lot on them right now. Which this next card, which explains their situation, is the Nine of Wands. With this card, they're being very careful what they say and what they do. They're being cautious. They're being guarded. They're protecting themselves. They like to keep things private. All right. So that's what I'm feeling with this card here. Yeah, they're being very careful. Very private people. Zendaya more than Tom. Yeah, Zendaya is more discreet. But I think she gets that more from her family. Tom, he's a little bit more free-spirited. But he is cautionary too. He will protect her. He will protect her by any means. He's like a guard. He's there at her beck and call. He's a fun-loving spirit, but he will defend her to no end. That's what I'm getting there. Yeah. Then back to the Moon card, I get a lot of speculations, a lot of he said, she said, like I was saying earlier. They're just having a field day. We're just having a field day. Yeah. Anyway, that's what I get with those two cards. What they're standing on is the Knight of Wands. They want to escape. They want to escape. They want to go away. they want to escape difficulty, their problems. Um, they just want to go away and just not be bothered with all this craziness that is going on around them right now. Um, so right now, it's like they just want to go away and do them. Just not be bothered with the world and what's going on with that. They just want to just kind of like focus on themselves and just, just focus more on themselves. And just be in that state of togetherness. If that makes sense. Yeah. Hmm. I have this card that represents their past, and it is the Ten of Swords. And traditionally with this card, it represents a dead end. In most cases, it's like something has ended so something new can begin. I think I'm going to need the book for this one. Just one moment, please. So, what I'm getting here that's representing their past, a forced change, a decision that altered their lives, death of an illusion, possibly negative thinking. But it's in their past. Something ended in their past. Something altered their way of thinking, their voice. Something deading it. It's like something shunned them a little bit. But it's in their past. Yeah, this card is so dark. I wonder what ended for them. What altered their... It's almost like it altered their past a bit with the Ten of Swords. Hmm. It almost gives me the impression that they lost trust in people that were around. They lost trust because they probably trusted someone and then they let them down, which altered the way of how they connect with how they connect with people. Hmm. They're not so open anymore. It's almost like the innocence is gone, and it opened their eyes to a whole new way of relating to others. It altered a few things. Hmm. Building character, molding character, mind shaping, alter mind shaping. Control. Losing sense of oneself, like almost losing innocence to survive. Hmm. Losing oneself. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah, this is what I'm getting here. This card is deep here. This card is very deep. Okay. Now, with what they're standing on, no, what crowns them, sorry. What crowns them is the King of Swords, all right? They're being vocal about a few things. They're being very, it's like they're standing up for themselves. They're being very, let's say law and order justice. Um, Standing for their rights to be who they are. Um, so I get leadership. It's like just being in charge. You know, just it's like you're just standing there being in charge. You're in control of everything. So I get more of Tom being more the leader than Zendaya. Yeah, Tom is being more the it's like the maverick hero or the we call it a knight who carries a sword. I go by knight carries a sword. Um, Comes to say today, he's like Zendaya's knight shining armor, that kind of thing. And he's there to keep the peace, keep law and order. Um, Making sure that she's safe, that she feels safe. Hmm. Yeah. hmm Yeah, it's like his main focus is her. His main focus is to be sure he takes care of her. hmm That's what I'm feeling with the King of Wands. No, King of Swords. Sorry, King of Swords. Now, what's representing their future is the Fool card. This is like a card of journey, of new journey, taking a risk on something, taking a leap of faith in something. It's like they're joining hands and they're doing this together with it's like they're going in with their eyes wide open. They're not being disillusional to things. They're just, this is something they want to do, and they just want to see where it goes. And they're open to a lot of things. With the rest of these cards, I don't see a marriage card here, which is interesting. Because in the media it says they're getting married, but it's like I don't see any marriage cards. I did hear that they're living together now, so this is probably why this fool card is showing up. That they're in it to win it together, taking a leap of faith together. They're doing this thing together, and see where it goes. They enjoy each other's company very much. There's a lot of romance there. A lot of romance. It's like Tom shows love in big and in small ways. And she's just very smitten by him. That little man. I don't know what made me think that. Yeah. It's like right now things are on the up and up. Things are good. Things are feeling real good. Yeah. That's what I'm feeling with the Fool card, which is representing their future. All right. What's in their minds is the Star card. All right. And with this card, it's like it represents ancestral protection, represents good luck, represents hope, represents joy, success, fulfillment. I guess Spirit is looking after them. It's like Zendaya's ancestors and Tom's ancestors. It's like they come together on the other side to work with them. If that makes sense. Yeah, they're very hopeful for their togetherness. They're keeping a positive outlook on a lot of things, including being together and being in that state of togetherness. There's a lot of affection, a lot of respect, honoring. Likeness, like I like this person. I like the way this person makes me feel. I like being around this positive energy this person's giving me. I like the affection that I'm getting. I love the joy. I like the fluidity of support. I'm getting that. Because he supports her and she supports him. So there's a lot of positivity around them right now. So The star card is representing their minds. Now, what's representing their environment is the death card. So there's a lot of major changes that they're dealing with. A lot of major changes. A lot of altering and sacrifices that they're going through just by being together, especially through media, because media is really watching like a hound dog. You know, they having a field day with them, like I was saying earlier with the moon card. You know, they're just, and I understand why they're being very cautionary and why they're being uh, uh, standing their ground and being very defending themselves. Most of the time they keep quiet, but if they have to talk about it, it's usually a very quick response, and then they want to leave it alone. Yeah. So with the death card, a lot of major changes. Adjustments. It almost give me the impression that media is not gonna give them a break. It's like they enjoy the fairy tale of them two being together. Notice I said fairy tale. But these are real people who like and are attracted to one another. And the media is treated like a child's book, like Cinderella, and she got her prince, that kind of thing. You know, that's what I'm feeling. That's what I'm feeling here. Yeah. It's like a childlike fairy tale. You know. It's almost like they're in my mind. I'm hearing a realm of a realm of newness, a new realm, rain, or no, not rain. How's that going? Oh, it was just in my head. Realm. That's the word, realm. It's like that word kept popping, like a new realm in something. I know they don't make any sense. I don't know why that came to me. I'm just trying to make sense of it. Realm and new dimension? That don't make no sense. A realm and new dimension. Yeah. It's pretty much all I'm getting with the death card. And it's like, yeah, just major changes. I guess they're altering their lifestyle with one another. Yeah, because they're currently living together now. Mm-hmm. Oh, adjusting to their lives together. Well, no, well, that part makes sense. So they're adjusting to their life together. All right. Mm-hmm. All right. So in their hopes and fears is represented by the Seven of Pentacles, and with the Seven of Pentacles, I get investing time into one another. It's like you're planting the seed and watch it grow. So um, they're growing together in their new relationship, and they have a lot to learn with one another because it's still kind of new with them. Um, yeah, there's a lot of affection. There's a lot of caring, a lot of support, but they still have to grow and get to know each other well. Um, and they want to do this, so it's like they're investing um, their time into one another and see where that leads them. I hope that makes sense. Yeah. Now, the two cards I have left is the outcome, and two cards came out. All right. So I have the Nine of Pentacles with the Four of Pentacles, which is interesting. All right. So with the Nine of Pentacles, I get self-reliance. I get responsibility, a go-getter, a doer, a person who likes to lead, a person who likes to make sure that things get done and get done well. Person who's worked so hard that because of their hard work, they get to enjoy the fruits of their labor. That they can go on vacation, they can take the time off as needed, they can do all these other things that they love to do because they put the work in. However, I do get the Four of Pentacles, and I'm getting being conservative with your money, being a bit frugal, not overspending, being strategic and spending money wisely. All right. So it's based on these two cards together. It's like, yeah, they're very responsible with their money, but they're saving their money. They're being cautious with what they spend things on. So they're adjusting their finances with one another. So whatever it is that they were once doing with their money, they're conserving it now. They're conserving it now. Yeah, because they're together, and I guess they're making plans. So these cards together, yeah. I can see that. I can see that. Yeah, self-reliant, conservative, being frugal, being cautious with your money. You know, I feel like this is more Zendaya, and this is more Tom. And from the way it looks, I think she's spending his money. And he's like, no, you're not spending my money. Or he's been cautious with it. I say, oh, he spent a little bit too much, you know. But Tom, shouldn't worry about it. She got money. She got her own money. She good. You know, if I didn't know any better, she might want to dip a little bit into his money too. Who knows? But I know she got her own. I know she got her own. So I'm getting that where the Nine of Pentacles is Zendaya, where she is more reliant, more self-assured, more self-reliant with her money. More, she makes a lot of money, and she shares her wealth. She's very open. She helped those in need. I think with her family, because she's very close with her family. And also to some strangers that she's close with, the people she's met over the years, friends she made, that she helped out along the way. Even people who are not doing so well in the streets, things like that. She gives money to organizations. So she'll make enough money that she will set aside some funds to help those in need. Where I get where this could be representing Tom, and he's being frugal with his money. It's like his mind on his money and his money on his mind. And he's being a bit tight with it. Because he doesn't spend needlessly. He likes to make money, he likes to hold on to what he makes. And it's like he counts every penny, he knows what he makes and what he spends it on. Yeah. Yeah. I wonder how they're going to work that out. Oh. But yeah, I see Zendaya's definitely making money. Tom's be a little more reserved. Yeah, that's funny. That is so funny. Okay. All right. Trying to think here. Let me ask a question. All right, Spirit. Will Tom Holland and Zendaya get married? Will Tom Holland and Zendaya get married? Will they get? Oh. Okay, 4 cards came out. Okay. That's interesting. I just asked if will they get married. And 4 cards came out. First card being the Ace of Pentacles. And I get this being a birth of prosperity for them. A new partnership, a new agreement, a new connection, a new a birth of prosperity for them both. Yeah. And the second card I get is the 6 of Cups. This is like familiar energy for them. I think they've known each other for quite some time. Yeah. And from the way these cards look, it's like this person right here is offering flowers to the girl. So it's like, I want to say yes, they're going to get married. Yeah. Because it's like he's offering his love and affection. But this has been going on for quite some time with them both. As far as them knowing each other. The third card I get is the Seven of Wands, and with them I get that they are protecting themselves from the naysayers, the people that want to attack them. They want to get away from the media and people who have something to say about them being together. Yeah. And then the last card I get here is the Six of Wands. It's like they want to move away. They want to go to calmer shores. They want to go to things that are more. It's like brighter days ahead for them. They want to leave the past of all the difficulty and all the rough stuff behind them, so they can just focus on their future. Overall, the answer to the question is yes. So. Yeah, from the way it reads, it's like this would be a new partnership that's been this is a new relationship that's been in the work for some time. However, they have to protect themselves from the media, and they are going to just move on together. Yeah. So yes, they're getting married. They get married. I wonder if there's going to be a baby. Wouldn't hurt to ask. Okay, let me okay. Here's Spirit. With Tom Holland and Zendaya have a baby. Will there be plans for them to have a family? Maybe I should put it like that. Will they have a family? Will they have a family? Will they make a family with each other? Spirit. Will Tom Holland and Zendaya make a family with each other? Will they make a family with each other? Will there be a baby? Will there be a baby, Spirit? Will there be a baby, Spirit? With Tom Holland and Zendaya. Will there be a baby? Okay. I get the Fool card. This is a yes card. So, I guess you're gonna make a family / make a baby. Have babies. So yes. Yes, this would be new for them both. Parenthood. So this would be new for them both because they'll be first-time parents together. That's good. Yeah. Yeah. That's all the questions I have for them right now. So if you made it to this far in the reading, I thank you. Thank you for being patient with me as I work through some of these cards to figure out what the hell is going on with them. You know, some cards were a little challenging because I'm trying to figure out what the hell why did this card come out? But thank you for your patience. Thank you for your kindness. Yeah. So, That's all I have for you right now, and I will be back soon with another reading. All right. Talk to you later. Bye.